Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are looking to visualize multiple categories over time or compare different groups in a single chart, then you are in the right place. Today, we are diving deep into stacked column charts in Power BI, a fantastic way to bring clarity to your data insights. So let's get started. A stacked column chart is one of the best ways to compare categorical data while also showing how different segments contribute to the whole. For example, if you are tracking monthly sales for different product categories, a stacked column chart allows you to see not only the total sales but also how each product category contributed. It's clean, efficient, and insightful. Alright, let's jump into Power BI and build a stacked column chart step by step. Step 1. Load your data. First, we need to load our dataset. Head to the Home tab, click on Get Data, and choose Excel or CSV, depending on your file type. Once imported, make sure your data is clean and structured properly. Step 2. Insert a stacked column chart. Now go to the visualization pane, select the stacked column chart and drag it onto the canvas. This is where the magic begins. Step 3. Assign your data fields. In the field planes, drag your categorical data like month or region into the x-axis, then add the values you want to measure, such as sales. A good visualization is not just about presenting data, but making it clear and readable. Let's tweak our chart a bit. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap what we have learned today. Stacked column charts help compare multiple categories over time. They are great for visualizing trends and contributions. And that's a wrap. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more Power BI content. Have any questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Happy visualizing.